Hey, welcome. Once again, I have bought something that I needed and wanted to take some kind of picture of it before I start using it. So I got a new frying pan. So I wanted to do some things. So I've set this up with this big piece of tile. Got the frying pan, got some eggs, some milk, and some salt, just stuff we have in our kitchen here in the studio. So I started with just a big main light shooting that flash in the ceiling, big white ceiling, giving us a good starting point. Let's go ahead and turn that one on, and we'll take a shot. So that gives us a very soft omni light. So on top of that, I added this diffusion, and behind it there's a bare bulb flash that will give the light some sort of direction but still keep it pretty soft. So a soft light in this direction, giving us some nicer shadows and a bit more direction in the light. And this black foam board I've just placed here. I'll do a cutout later and add some sort of darker space. I haven't really decided, but I put that there just for now, just to get a better feel of what we're going for. This is uncropped, so I'm thinking in the 16:9 format. I'm thinking something like this, probably. So let's have a look. Got the eggs, got the milk, everything's looking pretty nice in this soft light. I do feel like we need to add some sort of fill. So I've prepared a diffusion over there. So I want to add some fill coming from this side, adding some more light on that milk and making everything a little lighter, nicer. So I'll put this here, somewhere around here. So let's take a shot and see. Maybe it's a bit harsh on the eggs, not sure. Let's try to back this away a little bit, make it softer. Let's have a look. Like it's better for the eggs, not as good for the milk jug. It's always nice with the set camera and not moving anything. I can combine different exposures in post to different areas in the image. I really like the bottom. It gives that cool effect, but still pretty, not too harsh lines and stuff. But I want to see if I can brighten this a little bit. I'm going to bring out this diffusion on this side, maybe somewhere around here. Got another flash here. So let's just start there and see where we're at. I feel like I have like a good base, nice on the milk jug, alternatives for the eggs. So now I'm just gonna focus on the frying pan. Got this highlight here that really brings out the shape of the handle. Might be nice to add some sort of fill to have this line here maybe. Okay, so now I'm just gonna focus on the pan. So let's turn the live view on. Got a few good ones, I think. I can decide more later. Okay, I think I have the shots I need for the overall, but what I wanted to finish this off with is getting a sunny side egg in the frying pan. So I'm gonna fry an egg. Okay, so got an egg. Let's try to get this into the pan. Okay, it's in there, so I'll take a shot. That's not looking too good. Yeah, it gets all wrinkly. This is hard. Okay. Well, we got an alternative. I did fry a couple more. So let's switch them out, see if we can get enough to get a nice egg. I did this one a little earlier. Also has a bit of those wrinkles, but the yolk is really wrinkly too, but hopefully we can use the yolk from that one. So I'm gonna try to switch these. Let's have a look. That one does look better. I'm gonna try and clean up the edges. All right, I think. And we can use this yolk over here, hopefully. Okay, I think I have what I need. Let's see if I manage to get a good final result. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See ya.